Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fiza Ahmed. I am student of BDS first year. So today our topic is the ventricular system. Um, this is the whole sketch which will explain how the ventricles of the brain are located within the cranial cavity. So there are total 4 ventricles, the third ventricle, the fourth ventricle and the 2 lateral ventricle. And in this video I will explain you the third ventricle in detail. This ventricle is posteriorly continuous with this fourth ventricle through the cerebral aqueduct and anteriorly continuous with the 2 lateral ventricle through the foramen of Monro or the interventricular foramen. And the third ventricle is present between the 2 thalami. Basically the thalamus is a structure which is entirely made up of the grey matter. So between the 2 thalamus is the presence of the third ventricle. Now I will explain the third ventricle and its boundaries in detail. I will start with the lateral wall. As I told you before, that the third ventricle is present between the 2 thalamus, and between the 2 thalamus is the location of the third ventricle. So lateral wall of the third ventricle is made up of 2 thalamus. Between the thalamus is the hypothalamus, and the median sulcus which is separating the thalamus with the hypothalamus is the hypothalamic sulcus. So the lateral wall of the third ventricle is made up of these 3 structures. The roof of the third ventricle is made by the ependyma. Ependyma is basically the epithelium which stretch across the upper limit of both thalamus and form the roof of the third ventricle. The anterior wall of the third ventricle is formed by the sheet of the grey matter which stretch across the anterior wall of this ventricle, and this is known as the lamina terminalis. And above the lamina terminalis is the small commissure between the 2 temporal lobes known as the anterior commissure. So the anterior wall is made up of the anterior commissure between 2 temporal lobes and the lamina terminalis. The floor of the third ventricle is made up of the optic chiasma. Optic chiasma is a structure which is made when the nasal fibers of the retina cross the midline and temporal fibers remain uncrossed, and this structure is known as optic chiasma. So basically the exact location of optic chiasma is the floor of third ventricle. Then the floor is made up of the infundibulum, the pituitary stalk, the structure of the grey matter which is known as the mammillary body is also present in the floor of the third ventricle, the posterior perforated substance, and the ventral part of the midbrain known as the tegmentum of midbrain also form the floor of the third ventricle. Now come to the last boundary of the third ventricle, which is the posterior wall. The posterior wall is made up of the pineal body, the posterior commissure. Posterior commissure is basically the commissure between the 2 pretectal nucleus of the midbrain. The beginning of the cerebral aqueduct basically is present at the posterior side of the third ventricle and form the posterior wall of the third ventricle. And the 2 hibilunar nucleus are present at the tip of the pineal bodies, and the commissure between these 2 hibilunar nucleus is known as the hibilunar commissure, and it is also present at the posterior side of the third ventricle. So these are 5 boundaries of the third ventricle, and here we are end with our the explanation of the third ventricle. Thank you.